bringing it down for the slow skate.
Here we go. There are just 5 more days to experience New York City's Restaurant Week, where you get deep discounts on so much good food in some of the city's finest restaurants.
If you don't take advantage of this, I mean, you're really missing. This fella, look at this. Chef Brian K. Fowler is the executive chef at one of those restaurants. It's called BLACKBARN. He joins us this morning with a taste of what you can dine on. Welcome,
Chef. It's on my list.
Thank you.
It's on my list.
He's been talking about this since last night.
We're going to get it to the top of your list.
Can we talk about the decor, because it is beautiful?
Oh my gosh.
The decor is absolutely beautiful. It's a barn in the middle of the city, something that no one expects when they walk in, and it helps us create rustic food. It helps us create things that are homey, that are warm.
Yeah. Exactly.
Things that are warm and homey, and when you eat it, you feel encapsulated by this barn that you're sitting in, in between.
All right.
It's a vibe. The decor is one thing, right? But the food is what is really bringing it all together.
Food
so
is always
what are some of the things on the menu that you like to profile, and why you chose those things?
Some of those things are here today.
Yeah.
Okay.
One of those being one of our brunch items. We will start with those. So that is our blue corn Johnny cakes. Inside of those is a little bit of lemon thyme, blueberry whipped ricotta, some beautiful crispy corn, but technically it's popcorn.
I was just going to say, is that popcorn? It's elevated.
Oh, I gotcha.
Elevated. So it's a nice little twist, and then there's some honeycomb on there as well.
I'm stealing a piece of popcorn.
That's beautiful. Okay, and this is
And then this is for you guys. I always bring treats, so everybody can have some fun.
We'll do this.
Although it's morning here, it's nighttime somewhere.
We've already started, so
you know what? It's 5 o'clock somewhere, right?
Exactly.
And this is part of the experience you get when you go to BLACKBARN.
Yes. So not only is this a part of your experience, and it is 5 o'clock somewhere.
Right.
For brunch, we are offering a complimentary glass of bubbles and/or a mocktail if you're not
drinking. Do you serve brunch 7 days, 5 days, 6 days, or just the
We serve
weekends?
brunch Saturdays and Sundays.
Excellent.
We do dinner on Saturdays. Sorry. And then.
Yeah, and that's the thing.
That blueberry
ricotta
is beautiful.
The blueberry ricotta is absolutely amazing. We also put a touch of salt in there to give it a nice little balance.
I didn't even
so it comes out.
Cheers.
So sorry.
You guys can't leave me out here.
I was going to say, my gosh.
I'm so rude.
This one, you drank before all of us.
I'm terribly thirsty, fellas.
Goodness. Cheers, Chef.
Cheers to brunch.
Cheers to brunch. We like that. And now you also brought a little bit of a fluke, huh?
I brought
but not a fluke.
But not a fluke.
It's not a fluke that he's preparing fluke.
Yes, so this is also on our Restaurant Week menu. And then here I have some nice, beautiful diced up fruit from Long Island, which is where I'm from.
Nice.
So this comes off of the Long Island Sound.
Is fluke a fishy fish?
No, it is not a fishy fish.
Right?
It is very mild. It is a little bit sweet, but not a fishy fish at all.
Okay, good.
I have this nice, beautiful broth here, which is like coconut milk, lemongrass.
Nice.
There's some yuzu in there. And for a nice little kick, there's a tiny little bit of mezcal, which adds a little bit of smoky flavor in there.
Beautiful.
Not a lot.
Just
not
enough.
A lot. You're not
Just
gonna
enough
get
to let
saucy.
you know it's there.
Exactly. I already gave you guys a little bit of bubbles. I'm not going to give you guys too much more.
Okay.
And then we just add some sea salt.
And this preparation, as you're doing it, is this how it comes to the table in this beautiful dish?
It is. So we put it in this beautiful dish over ice.
We don't have a whole lot of time left. I want you to finish this. But you also brought 2 beautiful dishes over there that I'm assuming are also featured.
Yes, these are also featured on our Restaurant Week menu. So over to the far left is a English pea pani puri.
Nice.
And that is an English pea hummus with a little bit of zucchini caponata and a small little bit of a yogurt sauce just to kind of finish it off and give you some nice little freshness. And then off to the side of that is a vegetarian beet and spinach ravioli.
Okay.
And inside that is some capers, some raisins, some ricotta, a little bit of mint, a little bit of parsley. And then on the bottom of that is a nice custard of a goat cheese zabaione, which is normally a dessert, but we've taken that and added a little spin on it.
You haven't missed a beat, Chef. You prepped this and you talked about all those dishes and did not miss a beat.
The colors on this are beautiful.
Yes,
right?
absolutely beautiful.
Presentation right here.
Have you never had fluke?
I've never had fluke.
We don't get out often. Do we eat this with a fork or a spoon?
Spoon.
Okay.
You want to get some of that broth in there
You
as well.
get it.
Some of that
give me a little taste.
I don't
Chef, thank you so much.
Thank you
for all of this.